In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Yardi Breeze as a complete beginner, step by step. We'll break everything down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can manage your properties, tenants, and accounting without getting overwhelmed. First, we'll understand what Yardi Breeze is and how it fits into the larger Yardi ecosystem. Next, we'll explore the different property types you can choose from, including residential, commercial, manufactured housing. After that, we'll go through pricing so you can understand how costs are calculated based on units and plans. And finally, I'll show you how to get started by requesting a demo, contacting the team, or signing up directly from the website. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Yardi Breeze is a cloud-based property management software. Its main purpose is to centralize everything needed to manage properties from rent collection to accounting inside one system instead of using spreadsheets or multiple tools. Now, if you want to get started, the first thing you need to do is select your property type. If you look at the homepage, you will see 6 main property types you can choose from: residential, commercial, affordable housing, self-storage, associations, and manufactured housing. Each one is designed for a different kind of property management. Now, once you understand these options, you can go ahead and pick the one that best fits your business needs and start exploring its features in detail. From the homepage itself, you can simply select a property type, and it will show you a quick overview of what tools and capabilities are included for that specific category. This is a fast way to understand how Yardi Breeze adapts to different industries. But if you want more in-depth information, you can go to the top navigation bar, hover over property type, and then select Residential. Once you click on Residential, you'll be taken to a dedicated section where you can explore everything in much more detail. Residential is designed for apartments, houses, and general rental properties. It gives landlords and property managers everything they need to run day-to-day operations, including rent collection, tenant tracking, maintenance requests, online leasing, and complete accounting tools to keep finances organized. Commercial is built for office buildings, retail spaces, and business properties. This section is more focused on managing complex lease structures, handling vendor payments, tracking contracts, and making sure long-term commercial agreements are properly organized and maintained. Affordable housing is specifically created for subsidized or low-income housing programs. It includes compliance tools, income verification tracking, and detailed reporting features that help property managers meet strict government and regulatory requirements without manual effort. Self-storage is tailored for storage facility businesses. It allows you to manage unit availability in real time, handle online reservations and rentals, process payments, and even integrate with gate access systems for secure entry control. Associations are designed for HOAs and community management. It helps you manage residents, collect dues, track violations, generate financial reports, and maintain clear communication between board members and homeowners. And finally, manufactured housing is built for mobile home parks and similar communities. It lets you track individual lots, manage residents, collect rent, handle maintenance requests, and keep detailed ownership and occupancy records all in one system. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of Yardi Breeze, and that is pricing. Once you look at the pricing section, you will see that Yardi Breeze keeps things pretty simple, starting with residential, which includes apartments, houses, and general rental units. For the standard Breeze tier, pricing is $1 per unit per month, with a $100 minimum per month. There is also a more advanced version called Breeze Premier. It still uses the same $1 per unit pricing, but the minimum increases to $400 per month because it includes more advanced tools, automation, and reporting features. Next is Commercial, which covers office buildings, retail shops, and other business properties. Here, the standard Breeze pricing is $2 per unit per month, with a $200 minimum per month. If you want the more advanced Breeze Premier features for commercial properties, you will need to fill out a form to get custom pricing, since commercial setups can vary a lot. Then we have affordable housing, which is designed for government-subsidized and low-income housing programs. For this category, Breeze Premier pricing is $3 per unit per month, with a $400 minimum per month. This higher cost reflects the extra compliance tools, income tracking, and detailed reporting required for regulations. Now moving to self-storage. For this category, pricing is not publicly listed. Instead, you need to complete a form to get a custom quote for Breeze Premier. This is because self-storage facilities can vary widely in size, number of units, and operational needs. Next is associations, which includes HOAs and community management. Breeze Premier for associations is priced at $1 per unit per month, with a $400 minimum per month. This focuses mainly on managing residents, dues, collection, and financial reporting for communities. And finally, manufactured housing, which includes mobile home parks and similar communities. Just like self-storage, pricing is not fixed here either. You will need to submit a form to get a custom quote based on your specific portfolio size and requirements. That sums up the pricing section. So now let's talk about how you can actually contact Yardi Breeze or get started with the platform. If you scroll all the way down to the footer of their website, you'll find their direct contact information. You can reach their team by phone if you prefer speaking directly with someone. You can also email them at info@yardibreeze.com for general inquiries or support. Right next to that, there is a Connect with Us section where you can follow them on social media. This includes platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram, and LinkedIn, where they regularly share updates, product news, and industry insights. Now, if you want to see how the platform actually works before making a decision, you can click on Contact Us in the top navigation bar. This will take you to their Request a Free Demo page. Here, you can book a personalized demo based on your specific property needs. On the right side, you'll find a simple form that you need to fill out. It asks for basic details like your first and last name, business email, phone number, company name, and country or region. You will also need to select your primary property type from a drop-down menu, and you can optionally add any questions or comments you have. There is even a checkbox option if you only want them to send you a brochure instead of a full demo. Once you click the green Submit button, their team will get in touch with you to schedule and set everything up. Alternatively, if you don't want to wait, you can also call them directly using the phone number provided to arrange a demo instantly. And if you already know what you want and don't need a demo, you can click the Buy Now button in the top right corner of the website. This will take you to a secure registration portal where you can start the onboarding process. From there, you'll select your property type, enter your company and portfolio details, and add your billing information to complete the setup. And there you have a complete, step-by-step overview of how the Yardi Breeze property management works. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.